Imagine waking up every morning with a swollen belly, brain fog so thick you can't remember your own name, and energy levels that plummet faster than the stock market in a crash. Now ask yourself, what if the root of all this misery isn't in your head or your heart, but in your gut? Welcome to the silent epidemic nobody's talking about. Millions of people are walking around with chronic fatigue, skin issues, anxiety, and bloating, all while being told it's just stress or that it's all in their head. But today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the real culprit and give you a step-by-step battle plan to reclaim your health, your energy, and your life. This isn't just about feeling a little better. It's about a total transformation from the inside out. Let's be crystal clear. Sugar is not just a sweet treat, it's a saboteur. Every teaspoon you stir into your coffee feeds the wrong bacteria, fueling inflammation like gasoline on a fire. And those so-called processed health foods? They're a wolf in sheep's clothing, loaded with industrial oils, emulsifiers, and gums designed to keep you hungry and sick. Here's the truth they don't want you to know. Your gut bacteria outnumber your human cells by 10 to 1. If you're feeding the wrong side, you're arming an army of pathogens that whisper chaos to your immune system. So today, we kick those enemies out. No more high-fructose corn syrup. No more artificial sweeteners masquerading as diet hacks. No more seed oils that turn into inflammatory bombs inside you. It's a one-way eviction. Think of it as spring cleaning for your insides. You wouldn't let pests take over your home, so why let them take over your body? It's time to stop being a gracious host to these unwelcome guests. Once you've cleared the battlefield, you need reinforcements, and not from a pill bottle. We're talking nutrient-dense whole foods, pasture-raised eggs, wild-caught salmon, dark leafy greens, and bone broth simmered for 24 hours. Let's unpack why. When you sip that golden elixir of bone broth, you're bathing your gut lining in collagen and glutamine, the very building blocks for healing breaches in your intestinal wall. Think of it as spackle, sealing the cracks that let toxins leak into your bloodstream. Then we have fermented vegetables, sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir. These aren't trendy Instagram props. They deliver live, beneficial bacteria in their natural home, priming your immune system to tolerate what's good and attack what's bad. And what about fats? Contrary to decades of propaganda, the right fats are your allies. Omega-3 rich fats from sources like salmon calm inflammation, soothe the gut lining, and even help regulate your mood. Controversial? Sure, especially when the low-fat lobby is still whispering in your doctor's waiting room. But science doesn't lie. Real foods pave a real path to repair. Now, here comes the gut microbiome's version of bring your own goods. We're talking about prebiotics and probiotics. Prebiotics are the fibers that feed your beneficial bacteria. Probiotics are the soldiers you recruit directly. But let's dismantle a myth. Not all probiotics are created equal. Many common yogurt pills die in the harsh acid of your stomach before they even reach their destination. Spore-based probiotics, on the other hand, are like armored soldiers that survive the stomach acid gauntlet to colonize the small intestine, exactly where most pathogens set up shop. And prebiotic fibers like inulin and resistant starch aren't just roughage. They ferment into short-chain fatty acids, the primary fuel for the cells lining your colon and the body's natural anti-inflammatory agents. Here's your action plan. Every meal should include a prebiotic source. Think cooked and cooled rice or potatoes, chicory root or green bananas, and you should take a high-quality, multi-strain probiotic at night when your gut's repair processes are at their peak. You can eat perfectly and still wreck your gut if you're burning the candle at both ends. Your lifestyle is a critical piece of the puzzle. Cortisol, the stress hormone, is like an acid that dissolves your gut barrier. And chronic sleep deprivation? It literally rewires your brain to crave sugar and junk food. This is no coincidence. It's biology. So, first, you must prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted rest. Turn off all screens at least an hour before bed. Darkness is the switch that flips your body into repair mode. Next, you need stress inoculation. Not all stress is bad. Controlled, short-term stressors like cold showers, brief fasting, or breath work actually build resilience. But chronic, uncontrolled stress is a toxin. You need a daily practice of meditation or mindful movement like yoga, a simple walk, or even just watching the clouds go by. Finally, get sunlight and movement every day. Vitamin D isn't just for bones. It regulates over 2,000 genes, many of which are involved in immune function and gut integrity. Plus, natural movement helps your lymphatic and digestive systems flush out toxins. You've cleaned house, rebuilt the walls, stocked the pantry, and adjusted your habits. Now it's time for the secret weapons, the advanced therapies they don't advertise. First, consider butyrate supplementation. This is a short-chain fatty acid that most people simply don't get enough of. It directly restores gut barrier integrity and can even signal your brain to turn off pain signals. It's not available at every pharmacy, but you can ask a knowledgeable practitioner about it. Then there's fecal microbiota transplants, or FMT. Yes, it sounds extreme, but mounting research shows that a healthy donor stool can completely reset a diseased gut. It's FDA approved for recurrent C. difficile infections and is now being explored for everything from IB, GES to depression. And for a truly personalized approach, there's precision nutrition testing. Forget one-size-fits-all diets. Companies can now map your personal microbiome and tell you exactly which foods heal you and which foods harm you. It can be pricey, but if you're stuck in a cycle of trial and error, it can be the GPS you need to finally find your way. This is where conventional medicine often fears to tread. They'd rather you stay on endless pills than solve the problem at its root. So, let's put it all together into a weekly protocol. Here's your cheat sheet. Start with Eviction Week. 7 days of a strict sugar fast and a total ban on processed foods. During this week, sip bone broth daily. Next is Rebuilding Week. Add in nutrient-dense real foods, salmon 3 times, eggs daily, and dark leafy greens at every single meal. Then comes Microbiome Bootcamp. Include prebiotics with every breakfast and take your probiotics every evening before bed. Throughout this process, focus on lifestyle synchronization. Get daily sun exposure. Aim for 8 hours of sleep and practice 10-minute meditation sessions twice a day. Finally, consider an advanced intervention. Pick one. Try butyrate for 30 days. Get an evaluation for FMT, or do a precision nutrition swab based on test results. Repeat this cycle for 3 months and watch your gut transform. But remember, none of this is a quick fix. Healing takes time, consistency, and ruthless dedication. Now, let's talk about the controversy no one wants you to see. Big Pharma profits tremendously from your gut issues. The probiotic labels on store shelves are largely unregulated. They don't have to guarantee live bacteria, let alone the right strains for your specific problem. Your insurance gladly pays for acid-blocking pills that can actually worsen your condition over time. But how often has your doctor even mentioned the word fiber? You have to ask yourself, who benefits from you staying sick? And who benefits from you reclaiming your health? It's not just a gut check. It's a power play for control over your own well-being. So here is the final challenge. Are you ready to break free from the chains of bloating, brain fog, and chronic fatigue? Or will you keep reaching for the easy fix? A pill that just numbs the symptom but deepens the wound. The choice is yours. You have the knowledge. You have the plan. Start today. Evict the invaders, rebuild your temple, and become the master of your own microbiome. If you're serious about transforming your health from the inside out, hit that like button. Share this video with someone you know who's trapped in gut misery, and subscribe for more protocols they don't want you to know. Your gut and your life depend on it. Thanks for watching.